Hello friends, my name is Hamid. Today I'm working on a Kenmore fridge. The freezer is at the top, fridge is at the bottom. My customers complain is that this unit is not cooling. And I got here, this is the fridge. You can see. I took the back panel off and I put my multimeter here because I'm gonna get the amperage reading from the side of the compressor. These two wires that goes to the compressor relay overload. I'm gonna get the amperage reading from this one. So I put this here, and if you look on the side of the compressor over there, the 21 LRA is the log rotary amperage. So if it reaches 21 amp, the compressor is gonna lock. But usually the compressor runs 1 amp. Residential compressors run on 1 and 1.5 amps when it's running normally. If it's more than 1 amp, we have a bad compressor. If it's closer to 10-15 amps. So I'm gonna plug this in. So the compressor is gonna run, and you will see how many amps it's gonna draw. So by taking the back panel, you can get to the compressor easily. When the unit is not making noise or it's not cooling, you want to make sure the compressor is running. The condenser coils are okay. The condenser fan is running. It's drawing 15 amps, and the compressor is making humming noise, so we got a bad compressor here.